Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some very important biology questions that are already seen in previous year's question paper in many competitive exams like CDS and ND. So here the first question is. The first question is tooth enamel is made up of which calcium component? So option are calcium carbonate, calcium sulfate, calcium hydroxide, calcium phosphate. So the right answer is calcium phosphate. Also, the tooth enamel is the hardest substance of our body. Now the second question is which organelle of mammalian cell is rich in hydrolytic enzymes? So here the option is mitochondria, ribosome, lysosomes and nucleus. So the right answer is lysosomes, as lysosomes is also known as suicidal bag of cells. And the mitochondria, ribosome, lysosome, nucleus are the cell organelles. Now the third question is which cell organelle does not possess nucleic acid? So the option are nucleolus, chloroplast, ribosome, plasma membranes. For this, the right answer is chloroplast, as chloroplast, mitochondria, nucleus does not contain nucleic acid. So the next question is which cell organelle does not possess its own genetic material? You can say DNA. So here the option are ribosome, nucleus, mitochondria and the chloroplast. So here the question is for does not. So does not, in this the option is ribosome. As nucleus has its own DNA, mitochondria also contain its own DNA, chloroplast also contain its own DNA. Now the next question. Now the question is which is not, again not, a component of conducting tissue in plant. So here the conducting tissue are xylem and phloem. For xylem, trachea vessel, xylem fiber, xylem parenchyma are the component, and sieve tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma, phloem fiber are the component of phloem. So here the option is pericycle. Pericycle is not the component of xylem or phloem. Now the next question is which organism has vascular tissue? Vascular tissue also xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem are also known as vascular tissue. So here the option are Cladophyra, Penicillium, Marsilia and Anabina. The right answer is Marsilia. So the Marsilia plant is look like this, as Marsilia is a type of fern. Now the next question. Which organism represent the primary consumer category in an ecosystem? So primary consumers basically depends on the plant. Here the option are caterpillar, caraway apple tree, frog, sparrowhawk. So the right answer is caterpillar. As you can see in the food chain, caterpillar or you can say grasshopper eat the plant product. Now the next question is which cell organelle may play a role of expelling excess water and waste in case of unicellular organism? So here the option are lysosome, vacuole, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum. The right answer is vacuole, as vacuole is a sac-like structure which store food, water in the plant or in an organism. Now the next question is which terms describe the practice of growing two or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land? So here the option are crop rotation, mixed cropping, intercropping or mixed farming. For this the right answer is intercropping. Now the 10th question is which statement is correct about effect of antibiotic on virus? So option are they are non-living entities but it can interact with antibiotic. Taking antibiotic cures viral infection. Viruses do not possess metabolic pathway in which antibiotic can function, whereas bacteria has such pathway. Now fourth option is viruses are resistant to antibiotics. Here the option is C. Now the next question is in prokaryotic organism nuclear region is not, again the question is not surrounded by a membrane, undefined nuclear region. So option are nucleic acid, nucleoid, nucleolus or nucleosome. So the option is nucleoid. Now the next question, which plant tissue has dead cell? So option are epidermis, parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. So the right answer is sclerenchyma, as sclerenchyma provides stiffness to the plant. Example, husk of coconut. As collenchyma provides flexibility to the plant, parenchyma is a supportive tissue. Now the next question is cartilage is not found in larynx, nose, ear or urinary bladder. So the right answer is urinary bladder. In larynx we found cartilage, as cartilage is a soft bone. In nose we also found cartilage. In ears also we found the cartilage. Now the next question is the part of human eye in which image is formed. So where the image is formed in human eye, option are pupil, cornea, retina or iris. So the right answer is retina. Last question but not the least question, which is not a component of human male reproductive system. Not, again the not. Option A cervix, B urethra, seminal vesicle or vas difference. Here you can see male reproductive system and female reproductive system. In male reproductive system, seminal vesicle is present, prostate, vas difference is present, testicle, epidermis, urethra, penis, bladder. These all are present in male organ system. In female, uterus, fallopian tube, ovary, endometrium, cervix, vagina, ovary or symphyria. So the right answer is cervix, as cervix is not found in male reproductive system, it is found in female reproductive system. Thank you everyone.